Have a luxury listing but don't know how to market it? Well, LPT Realty has it figured out. In this box is one of our luxury collection packages. And I'm gonna show you exactly how we market our luxury listings at the highest level. Check it out. All right, so let's go through this box. Wow, so first thing we see, we have open house luxury directional signs. Next up, what do we have? A couple zip ties to hang the sign rider. Everything is wrapped nice. That way everything shows up and there's no issues or damage after shipping. And one thing to mention, I placed this order on a Tuesday and received it 48 hours later on Thursday. So here's a sign rider. And now the luxury LPT power box. We'll open that next. Yep, and there's the stakes for the open house directional signs. So everything that you need is included in this luxury collections package. Now we will open up the listing power toolbox. And check this out. So here's one of the custom property brochures. I think these are the bifold brochures. These are the bifold. We have multiple different sets of postcards. Thank you cards for the agents who show our properties, our open house visitors, so we can write them a little note to let them know we appreciate them. We have property business cards that has the text code to receive the information of the property, and then when someone does that, that lead goes directly to my cell phone. And in addition to the items inside of this box, we also have a custom billboard that's on the main highway of this property. We have a custom digital ad campaign that is also handled directly from LPT. And once the property sells, just listed billboard turns into a just sold billboard. So now all of the homeowners who were included in the direct mail campaign, they then received the just sold postcard. Driving down the highway, they saw the just listed billboard, and now they're seeing the just sold billboard. And I promise, agents become top of mind when a homeowner is thinking about selling their house and they're seeing these custom pieces and a billboard as we go through the process of selling our current client's home. So not only does this help me sell my luxury listing that we currently have now, it's also putting me in front of other homeowners in the area and showing them what we do for our clients, and then also showing some success when we sell this property. So thank you, LPT, for building such an awesome luxury packet for our listings to help set us apart from our competition and ultimately sell our clients' home at the highest level. So if you're a luxury agent and you are looking to incorporate tools like this into your business to help set you apart, earn more business, and sell the luxury listings that you have, you should consider giving LPT Realty a look. For more information on LPT Realty, or to receive a PDF with examples of everything that's inside of this box, send me a DM, comment below, or reach out to me directly. My number is 561-827-3659. I'll see you in the next video.